Looking at the Zinger product, we have a lot of floor plans that offer a slide out. One thing that makes us different is we use rack and pinion through frame slides. One benefit to this is they're very reliable. We have very little issues out in the field. The other part of that is if you ever did have an issue, say you're camping, you lose power, fuses blow, slide out won't come in. A lot of times people are crawling underneath the coach, pulling off slide out fascia, or calling a mobile tech to come out and get that slide out in just so they can get back home or to the dealership. One thing is you'll find it comes with a hand crank and the pass-through storage of every unit we ship. But to bring this slide out in, put it through the hole in the skirt metal, and it's a simple process to turn this and bring that slide out in. It'll take a minute, 2 minutes, depending on how fast you're going, but you won't be stranded. You won't have to call a mobile tech. You'll be able to get you and your family home. That's something that's very important to us that gets overlooked out in the field. But again, it's standard across the board on any Zinger product that has a slide out.